Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I want to show you just two quick little journals that I made. These are really small. They're about 5 inches by 3.5, and there's not many pages in this. This one I made as a Christmas planner. I used my porch prints for the cover and the outside spine, and then the other elements, the Santa Claus and everything else inside, I used from Wizard Art Designs. I'll link that in the description box so you can go check it out. The pages I just made myself off of Canva, and I put little titles at the front, recipes and things to do. Oh, that's a little gnome from Bun Fuzzle Designs. Shopping list. So there's not many pages to this. I did add a little bit of a pocket and some pom-pom trim. I just thought the images were adorable and I wanted to use it in just a little hardcover book. So I made that one, and then I had so much fun, I made another one. And this one is more like a journal. Look at those covers from my porch prints. They're just gorgeous. There is a Christmas set. I didn't get that. I just got the everyday set. But yeah, there's a lot more pages in here. I thought this would be cute to add into someone's stocking. So if you still are looking to make some handmade gifts, something like this might be fun and real quick and easy to make. I don't have a tutorial on it, but I'm sure there's a lot of tutorials on how to make a junk journal or just even a journal. So just a bunch of pages in here. I added some front and back, glued some together. There's that Santa Claus again. And then that's it. That is it. Just a real quick project share showing you maybe some ideas on something you want to make to add to those Christmas stockings. Thanks so much for watching and have a fabulous day.